Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.
Hi, this is Troy from Military Auto Source. We're taking orders on the Ford Bronco Sport as we speak, so make sure to be in touch.
If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, that's right, the Ford Bronco Sport. We're taking orders for stateside or overseas with a delivery in the spring, so make sure to be in touch with Troy so we can get you your vehicle.
Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.